despite sa brownout mga ka-Asenso. Kalit-kalit yung kayo ang brownout, no? Good evening mga ka-Asenso. This is our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. Game 2 sa Urban Division Games. It's between Barangay Dumagok and Barangay Napulan. This is your commentator, Gab. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan mga ka-Asenso. Pasensya, medyo second quarter na nabot. Hey, agi sa kuan man ay gamay technical difficulties panggod nga atong gikuan karon giatubang. But salamat kayo no salamat kayo sa Ginoo sa team nato dire na solusyonan ra gyud ang ato mga technical difficulties, technical problems no arong gabi una. So let's enjoy our ball game here. It's Barangay Napulan and Barangay Dumagok. 32 to 21, 35 na. Kaya naka-3 man. Veral with a 3-pointer. Daghang salamat kay Ma'am Rowena sa Romines. Special mention kay JK. Nagpahibalon ako. Kananay live karon. 7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. And ball stolen by Veral. Passing ito humantok. Fakes. Fires from the baseline. No good. Gets his own rebound. Second chance and is fouled from that play. Timeout is called by Barangay Napulan with exactly 7 minutes in the second quarter. 35 to 21 ang atong score. 21 pa, 21. And a big shout out also sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan mula Luzon, Visayas hanggang sa Mindanao and all over the world. Streaming live via Asenso Sports Channel. Thank you very much for watching. This is our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup brought to us by the City Government of Pagadian, headed by our very own Mayor, Mayor Samico, together with our league convener, Honorable Lance Co, and with Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Baleleng Fernandez, together with their councilor, City Councilor Sam Tayraco, Honorable Dicky Fernandez, Honorable Marjorie Revelo Cero, Honorable Jigger Ariosa, Honorable Dodong Duterte, and Honorable Idol June Bahamunde. Especially also, no, special mention para sa ato ang Tournament Commissioner, Coach Chow Vega. Wag yun media through ups and downs. Hi, shout out kay Ferdinand Hindoy. And pull-up jumper by Anchola for Barangay Dumagok. Nails it up. So we haven't have a live stream earlier, no, from this starting from this afternoon until tonight kay because of technical difficulties. Mga kuan. There are technical problems that that needs to be, you know, to be attended. So thank God because the problem is already solved. Baho in the middle, no good. Rebounded by Viral. Long pass para kay Humantok. Lace it up for 2. Watch out. Watch out. Palangga ako. Palangga ako. At binawi naman agad ng Barangay Dumagok ang puntos. Now to Humantok, sidestep. Number 11, si Pelidoane. Balik kay Humantok, now to De La Cruz. Driving, attacking, inside to Viral. Fades away, off the glass, no good. Tap, uy, hapit pa masyat. Shout out J. Sam Abdul. Basta tawagon ko gwapo, ganahan kay kumu shout out yun. Pero wala yun, nagpahibalon ako, no? Nga nanay live ro, no? Magluod na yun ko ninyo ba? Humantok. Jumper, no good. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Rebounded by Castañares. One-hander and it's fouled. Waswasi po gola ni Herman. Agoy. Magpawaswas daw, George. kinsa man ni Datanagan. Okay, Datanagan nailing the first free throw. Second throw. Actually, I don't know also yung score kanina because I wasn't assigned earlier. But anyways, if we have time tonight, no, we will browse the score. We will browse and hopefully we can post it. But yun, big shout out to Boss Kimpi Lozada. Good evening, boss. Isa sa pinakagwapo o pinakabuutan. Datanagan firing from downtown, nailing the three-pointer on the wing side of the court. Nakagwapo nga bolero, bolero, basketballista di ay. Pero gwapo magod paminahon ng bolero. Omandam fakes, turns around, falls away short. Isa sa pinakagwapo nga bolero diri sa Pagadian. Si Boss Kimpi Lozada of AJL 62. Also, a big shout out to Maestro JC. Ang Hugot King, referee Hugot King. Ang Ascenso Barangay Cup. Good pass there on the corner. Dingal unable to make that shot. Baho nakakuha pa ng foul. Good dribbling skills there by Baho. Actually, hindi na-cancel yung ibang game. Tuloy po ang mga games kanina. However, wala lang po tayong live coverage kanina because of technical difficulties, technical problems, technical issues. We have technical issues earlier, so medyo matagal-tagal po na-solve yung problema. Kaya, ayun, ngayon lang po na-solve yung problema na yun. Oh, shout out Pahapay Crew Chief Router Galay. Pahapay, tro. Plado kay makalakaw si Router ay. And shout out watching from Kuwait by Mitch Usma Rodriguez. Substitution, Morcilia Mors will check in for Humantok for Barangay Napulan. 42-28 as Barangay Napulan is still leading in this game. We still have 1 minute and 30. Yeah, a minute and a half for the second quarter. Omandam catches that air ball. Now to Anchola. Anchola to number 9. Good ball handling skills. Omandam for 3. Bang! Marcaban nailing that three-pointer on the wing side. Dingal to Morcilia. Sa gitna, Datanagan. In and out for the three-pointer. Time winding out with 40 seconds left in the second half. In the first half. Saan naman ko? Baho. Isa pa ulit. Marcaban. No good. Agawan ang bola sa itaas. Morcilia wins the rebound and there's a foul called against Omandam. As the scuffle is happening on that rebound. Dumagok. 12 seconds left. Bihasa unable to make that three-pointer. Ayun, bakit tinira? Mahaba pa ang oras. And that's the end of our first half, mga ka-Ascenso. So 42-31. Barangay Napulan on the lead. Anong karon ra ako? Karon ra mong nagkuan. Karon ra na sulba ang problema sa kuan sa ato ang live stream. Lisod-lisod man ni sulbaron basta nani no na mga nani nga mga live stream bitaw. Matay kini mabikil dugay gyud kay masulbad gyud. May gani kay maayo po na atong technical team ba. May kay mo magic. May kay mo magic atong mga technical team. Wa gyud nila undang ato dili masulbad. Matay. Nya, luoy ra kay si Ray kay kini na siya ra gyud isa yung tao na Luoy, gibiyaan pa yun. Pastilan. Back to our ball game. Datanagan 3-pointer for Barangay Napulan, extending their lead. Les Moras in and out, rebounded by Beral. Now to number 12, Campaner. Inside, pass intercepted by Kumok. Kumok ang crush ni camera woman for tonight. Dili cameraman kay babae man ang atong ang gagunit sa camera. 45-31 ang score. Lamang pa rin ang Napulan. Morcilla falls away, no good off the glass. Umandam with the rebound. Now to Baho against Morcilla at kinaliwa ni Baho. Timeout. Table. Ayun, timeout table. May another. Madungog ra gyapon dire. Madungog ra gyapon. Okay. And back to our ball game. Even karon gani nga mo palyar pagyapon usahay mo na inana kalisod mo. So dili lalim no, dili lalim, hindi talaga madali ang trabaho ng ating technical team especially in this entire league, no? That's why excuse me. Kumok double clutch. That's why humihingi po kami ng konting pasensya at pag-iintindi para sa mga pangyayari natin na hindi inaasahan. Alright. So, kuwan lang ta, kanang pasensya lang sa gyud, no? Hangyo lang sa gyud kung taas-taas ka pasensya kay. Actually, dili lalim magsulbad og naay problema, especially when it comes to this type of kuan mga technical problems, no? As we are short-handed with personnel, dili gyud lalim. May gani pud kay naning kamot rabaya gyud pud sila. Ang ato technical team naning kamot pud ta nga makahatag ta og nindot ka serbisyo. Ana ra na siya. Di mo gyud malikayan nga naay mga problema nga moabot in every endeavors. That's why people are here to solve such problems. So, konting pasensya lang gyud ana. Di man ta perpekto tanan, and isa pa dili man pud ni perpekto ning ligahan eh. No? So, ana lang sinabtanay lang. And also, no, this is the first time nga naay on aning nga coverage. No, here in I think in Zamboanga Peninsula, or I don't know. Naay mga kuan, naay mga live coverage. First time pa po ni. So, at least, kuan siya, at least, lesson learned if ever we come up, we encounter problems, no? We encounter problems along the way, at least, for the next time, nga na po yung ani nga mga kalihukan, at least kabalo na ato ang management, no? Unsay pagabuhaton para ma-avoid ang mga technical issues. Ano na siya. So, balik ta sa dula. Medyo hinay-hinay. Internet ganyan. Medyo hinay po ng internet. Baho. Stops. Fires from downtown. No good. Morcilla to Datanagan. Nice pass para kay Beral sa gitna. But unable to complete that shot. Now to Baho. Baho, nakita ang pasa na yon, intercepted. Now to Campaner. Campaner, all the way sa gitna, can't get it to go, gets his own rebound. Dingal off the glass, it's good. Uy, shout out Kylie Handugan. Yatera. Shout out Kylie Handugan. Yes, Mike, no, we are currently making the effort, no. We're doing the best that we can to give you updated standings. Namagod tayo mga kuan god, Mr. Namagod tayo mga chat tawagan ni dili pa siya matawag ang problema, pero naamagod tayo kanang ginagmay nga angay ate manunon, no, in terms of standing. Kay say for example, nanata no win-loss records nanatay win-loss records nila. Namanggoy mga petitions, okay? As to who is violating the rules or not. So na mga petitions. So dili na bisan pa og makabalot nga nakadula na sila pulo ka game. Nya ang nakita nato sa live kay pulo po nila ang daog din wala sila ipilde, pero da ito naaday naka-break day sila og rules. So ma-forfeit man gud to ang game good ato good. So even if nakita nato sa live nga 10 wins sila, pero agi sa kuan kanang tawag kana agi sa naay mga forfeited games. So bisan pag nakita nato sa live daog sila mapilde gyapon to nga dula. So ana na siya mo sa from time to time naga-update yun, nagapaningkamot mi nga ma-update ang ato ang kuan, ang ato ang standing. Uy, Angelica Manuler watching from Cebu City. Thank you very much for watching. Shout out kay Sarge Troy Lopez by Vince Abarquez. Shout out po kay Handugan. Shout out po kay Cyrus Tuwal, kagalantaw karon. Ang ato ang gwapa nga camera woman. Dagma. Hinay man ang internet. Back to Tormis. Ball is lost. Good evening, Ma'am Rowena Saromines. Thank you very much, ma'am, sa pag-remind sa ako. Salamat kayo sa pag-chat. Yung ko kabalong na live ron. Expect magud mi nga kuan dili pa masulbad ba ang problema. So thank God, no, daghang salamat jud kayo kay nasulbad ra gyud. Shout out also RJ Malalis. Shout out pa diha kay George, kay Patrick, kay J-Sam, o kang Rai Rai nga nag-iisa ka ganina pati luya. Grabe ko si Rai Majesty ba kining one man army ba? One woman army. Kaya niya. Mo kameraman, mo director, mo live stream. Ulang lang ani mo commentator na ni mo courtside reporter ba? Sunod ani courtside reporter ato ni. Ato ani petisyonan. Petisyonan ato ni nga mag courtside reporter ni. Mga kasenso mo, haven't you seen Rai Majesty? Nah. Makita ano niyo sa camera, matay magsige na yun mo glantaw sa iyang courtside reporting. Di na yun mo mag-concentrate sa dula. Ang at nga na lang ninyo, ang courtside na lang. Di na mo mag-atang sa dula. Bahala ng dula diya. Nya, napay back up na to nga commentator kasi George Pacau. Uyaw kani ato ang back up nga commentator kay di juga katulgon ba. Mas gwapo lang jugo niya. Tay mahimo ana. Shout out watching from Canada. From Canada by Genesan Prahes. And shout out also to Mercedito Malalis. Shout out to all Palpalan players. Silverius Famor. Good evening sa lahat ng players sa Palpalan. Ang mabugnaw nga lugar. Usa ganina kanang nasa pinakatumoy na gani katong duol atong gate sa buntod. Sana nga Palpalan Peak man ata na no bugno kay diay lami kay magtuhog-tuhog. og barbecue. Barbecue dito, mag-overnight, chill. Magtuhog-tuhog, shot. Ay, kanindot ka dito. Bugnaw ka dito sa Palpalan Peak. No? Sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, lalo-lalo na mga hindi taga-Pagadian, pag mapunta kayo dito sa Pagadian, I would recommend you to visit Palpalan Peak. It's a very nice, overlooking Mountain Park. Very cold area, no? Ang sarap magtuhog-tuhog ng barbecue, mag-chill, magpainit. Veral umatake. Can't get it to go. Rebounded by... And now Tobajo, short for that layup. Rebounded by Taliedo. Taliedo fakes. Inside pass para kay Humantok. And is blocked from behind by Comok. Tormis penetrating and is fouled. Samot na ni atong direktor nga gwapo kayo. Ana. Kini direktor na to mga kasenso. O kini makita ninyo sa mahagip ng kamera. Ay sus. Ha? Mura jud mo kitag dili ingon nato ba? Maayong gabi diha. Pa-shout out watching from Alegria. From Dave Curasa. Uy, Curasa. Maayong gabi diha. And shout out sa Dumagok ug sa iyang mga silingan ug mga pag-umangkon from Africa. This is Africa. Yeah, Palpalan Peak. Thank you. Maayong gabi sir, watching from Alegria. Dave Curasa. Humantok off the glass. No good. Asa na itong gwapo na itong direktor? Si Direct Banjo. Ay, ito ara. Pag kini mahagip sa kamera. Kini lagi mga bahay nga galantaw. Mag-heart yung mataan, ba? Humantok missing that three-pointer. Dingal with the rebound. Steps on the line. Out of bounds. Turnover for Barangay Napulan. No basket tong last shot ha, kay stepping on the line to. Okay, no basket. It was a turnover. Baho, hindi makalusot si Baho. Good defensive play here for Barangay Napulan. To Comok inside, up and under. What a play by Comok. Ang crush ng bayan ng Barangay Dumagok. Taliedo to Castil for 3. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Ayun, may foul. Comok ang crush ng bayan ng Dumagok. And a timeout here is called by Barangay Dumagok with 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 50-41. 9-point lead for Barangay Napulan. And we're back to our ball game from that timeout by Barangay Dumagok. Ball to Castil. Now to Dengal. Pull-up jumper, no good. Balalis with the rebound. Now to Comok. Anchola. Crossover. Steps back. Di makalusot. Behind the back pass para kay Tormil. Good body control by Tormil. Blocked from behind by Campaner. Tormil unable to save that ball from getting out of bounds. Campaner making a play. Screen by Humantok. Campaner taking his time to Dingal. Dingal, penetration, ball stripped from his hands, out, ball outside. Seven seconds in the shot clock. Ball remains in Barangay Napulan. Castile faking, pumantok sa gitna, no good. Rebounded again by Komok. Taas-taas magyud pud kay ni Komok, good. Baho, bounce pass para kay Chola, reverse layup block by Humantok. Saves his own ball. Malalis. And what a shot by Malalis. Kung gusto po ka mag-chill, please visit Hilltop in Mount Palplan. Pangitaan nyo si Coach Kagawad Ricky Yunting. Ilahang ng kuan. Ilahang Nightcrawler. No? Nightcrawler o Yunting. Up next game, Banale versus Balangasan. This will going to be an exciting game. Shout out Denden. Shout out po Philip Taray. Inay ako internet, di ko ka-update sa mga comments. Baho. What a shot by Baho. Babawi kaya. That's the end of our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. 5-point lead for Barangay Napulan. 50-45.
Vice Bill at third. Boy, Valentin Fernandez.
Oy, copyright po taon talk in text, oy. Para maka-data po da. Baho fakes, fires, basket and a foul by Baho. Good shot selection there by Baho. Uy, shout out kay Patty. Lantaw siya live, oh. May pa siya, nakalantaw live ako taon. Wa gyud. Paghatag mo internet diha be. Agawan a rebound. Anchola. Bang! Three-pointer by Anchola. And Anchola ties the game at 50 from that three-pointer. Back to square one, mga ka-Asenso. When we still have 8 minutes, Kapin. Dingal, no good. Komok with the rebound and is fouled. At biglang napatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Napulan. With that 5-0, 5-0 run for Barangay Dumagok. Wow, spectacular shooting performance by Barangay Dumagok. Mula sa 3-point play ni Baho, and now Anchola nailing the three-pointer. Pati, na ako'y gi-message, Pati. Please lang. Baho. Corner pass. Hindi nasalo. Thank you, Pati. Campaner. Morcilla. And he's fouled. Wala man. Unsa may ngalan sa Wi-Fi? Mura yapo, no? Yun, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Connected na. Thank you kaayo. Okay, ato mga fans dire. May replay ba yung hindi na live? Meron. May replay yon. Actually, the game was recorded. Alright, recorded pa rin yung game na mga hindi na live. So, it will be uploaded in our official YouTube channel, Ascenso Sports channel. Pag na-search nyo yun, check nyo yung, subscribe nyo yung channel and then you click live. Click nyo yung live doon. Go Dumagok by Clara Del Mundo. Go Dubai, Raquelin Ligaria. And Emmeline Mante, dumagok lang sa kalam. Shout out po kay Saysay. Wala tawon ko'y pag... Huwag mo ko gaingog siya, good. Ningon naman ko si Komo, crush ng bayan. Ningon naman ko. Shout out also to John Torres. Morcilla for 3. No foul is called. Ayun, may foul. Offensive foul na itinawag. No, lahi mangod ang crush ani ni Saysay. Ingon naman ko nga si Kumok ang crush ng bayan. Itsurahan ba yun si Kumok? Pero layo na kay San George. Layo na kay George. Ito si George. Kaya kayo si George. Hitsuraan to. Grabe sa kahitsuraan niya. Ngilngig na ko kayo. Amo ta si Pati Boy. Ayaw kay nanay tagiya si Pati Boy. Si Rina Gentuas Tumban. Wa mo nag-comment. Asa ka ni bayanan eh. Anchola! Firing from downtown in the corner. Leading Barangay Dumagok with 5 points. Shout out Paul Declaro. Declaro family from Barangay Banale. Oh, next week is game ra ba mo? Again, Mr. Christian Arguelles, sinabi ko na kanina po, may replay po yan. It will be uploaded in our official YouTube channel, Ascenso Sports Channel Official. Kindly visit na lang po. Yun. Lagi zoom ang kamera noon. Saan naman ni si Direk? Makitaan kita Direk. Bantay lang yung ka. Shoutout po kay George og sa iyang lalabs. Shoutout po kay Patrick og sa iyang lalabs kasi Rina Gentuas Tumban nga. Mingaw kay wala nag-comment. Rebounded now by Barangay Dumagok. 5 points. Yes, welcome Christian. Baho with the rebound. Now Baho with the ball. Anchola, pull-up jumper is good! Anchola, sunod-sunod. Na basket para kay Anchola. Humantok, traveling violation by Humantok. Napulan starting to crumble here as Dumagok gaining their momentum from that 5-0 run earlier. And now 7-0 run. A total of 13, 12. 7 plus 5. 12-0 run. Komok up and under. And he's fouled. Wash out daw. Clyde Galay. Uy, ano naman si Clyde? Wala naman ko kita ni Clyde. Classic ya Clyde. Shout out sa iyang auntie diha sa Dumagok Pagadian. Auntie Sita Daod. Kay Making Daod. Mooy Maoy Jennifer Daod. Greeting coming from Junray here in Taiwan by Mac Jun Kasit. Next game, ang mga varsity sa Banale, Jair Nazara. Yeah, it's Barangay Banale and Barangay Banangasan. This will going to be an exciting game for tonight. Last game for tonight. Two powerhouse teams, no? Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina about sa standing. Banale is a powerhouse team. They have a lot of wins recorded live, but they violated some rules. So those wins, there are wins nila na forfeit. That's why baba sila sa standing. Ganon yun. Commoc is double team. Now to Anchola. Floater, short. Commoc with a rebound. Nabitawan ang bola. Ball goes to Barangay Napulan. Oh, shout out Joanna Kulot by Jair Nazara. Ismail to Datanagan. Fakes. Driving. Up and under. And is fouled. Ing ana nato kalab ang basketball, no? Bisag nakauli na ta, bisag brown out. Wa gyud tanang hawa. Ha? Kagawad Commoc kubkub. Kagawad ni si Commoc. Bata pa man si Commoc. Datanagan. No good for that free throw. First free throw. Second throw. Finally scores for Barangay Napulan. Shout out Ivy May Carpentero. Mayong gabi Ivy. Asa mag Ivy? Walay kita nimo. Commoc, another trip to the line from that foul. Shout out Les Moras family from Iloy Dolia. Lagi shout out Ivy May Carpentero. Mga Ivy, walay kita tora. Lakaw na si Ivy. Manay shout out natin ka. Wa pa yung kanaminaw, lakaw ra kadiya. And a big shout out to our 84 live viewers via Ascenso Sports channel. Thank you very much for watching. And also don't forget to like and share this live stream. Commoc missing that free throw. 7-point lead for Barangay Dumagok. The tables have turned. Datanagan for 3. No good. Shout out running from SK Chairman in Barangay Dumagok. Chester Castro. Campaner. The lead is now cut to 5. We still have 3 minutes and a half remaining in the fourth quarter. Anchola lays it up. Campaner to Morcilla, firing from 3. No good. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Rebounded by Datanagan. Datanagan, offensive foul call against Datanagan. Actually, kitang-kita yun. Klaro na offensive foul yun. Shout out watching from Barangay Santo Niño by Marlo Consolacion. Marlo Alin Consolacion. Les Moras, 7-point lead. Dumagok. Ball stripped and stolen from his hands. Now to Campaner. Stripped by Anchola. And a foul called against number 16 of Napulan. Penalty situation.
Jersey number 16. Second personal foul. Napulan.
Oy, shout out the iPod ko, no, sa mga gipang sapot kagabi sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Nga dula. Lagot kay mo. And Anchola nailing that free throws. Uy, Olmedo, shout out, watching all the way from Ipil. Morcilla, air ball. Go, Dumagok. May Melension. Clara Del Mundo for the win na sa Dumagok. And the ball stolen by Campaner against Comok. At nakakuha pa ng foul si Campaner. Shout out to Alvin Anchola from Ganymede, Burgos. Kayo si Chutris. J. Mark Dingal. Woo! Kamaayo ni Anchola Modula by Emmeline Mante. Shout out po J-Boy Dayundon. Oh, shout out po saan Benji Sinining. Angelito Mendaros. Shout out by Alvin Anchola. Gikan ni Angelito Mendaros. Last 2 minutes mga ka-Asenso. 55 to 62. Baho na kalusot. No basket, not count. Already fouled on the floor. Basket won't count. Kuyawa, dyan ito yung mga audience. Kay mo coach, mampod. Kuyawa. Biliba, dyan ako ng mga basketball analyst. There is palibot. Mga coach po ba? Campaner. Penetration falls away, no good. Rebounded by now to Anchola. 1 minute and a half remaining. Anchola all the way, nakalusot. At biglang na-clear ang runway ni Anchola for that layup. Dingal turns around, heavy traffic, and is fouled. O shout out kung Tata Buntilingan kay Gigi Kabantak. Timeout called by Barangay Dumagok. Shout out mo ko sa akong kagalingon mo, dagan kong kapitan sa barko. Shout out daw si Saysay sa iyang crush. Ay! Isay crush ni Madre Says Jimmy. Shout out si Saysay sa iyang crush dire nga gadula. Dula. Ay, sorry. Nasayop ko. Shout out si Saysay sa iyang crush dire. Ana dito. Shout out ko sa akong kagalingon na mudagan ko og Barangay Kapitan. Akong una nga project, iPhone 14 Pro Max para paspas ang atuang communication. Mas paspas ang phone, mas paspas ang communication, di ba? Sunod na ako nga project, NMAX or ADB 150. Kay aron paspas akong pagresponde sa katawhan. Di ba? Astilan. Importante kayo na siya. Sunod. No? Sunod. Expander Cross. Mitsubishi Expander Cross. Ang ako sunod nga proyekto. Nga naman, para paspas ang ato ang pag-rescue. What if muulan? Diba? Na yung mga rescue. Mga propaganda. No? Yun na ako mudagang kapitan. Kidding aside, time winding down. Viral up and under, can't get it to go. Bagsak si Viral from that rebound. 33 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 56 to 64. Anchola, smart move, taking his time. Still guarded. Now to Malalis. To Les Moras. Ayan, inubos na nila ang oras with 4 seconds left in the shot clock. Ayun, shot clock violation. Shout out ni Marlo Mejorada, Conclusion. Pimo? Joy Kanya. Rio Fiel Oxtero. Shout out mo na ko ha, mudagan og kapitan pohon. And congratulations to Barangay Dumagok. What a turn of events here. Dumagok naghahabol ng puntos, but in the end, they win for this game. Congratulations. This is your commentator, Gab. Mayong gabi. Up next, it's Barangay Banale versus Barangay Balangasan. Stay tuned.